All right, what's going on, guys? It is freaking Wednesday, and we are live trading again at the trading desk, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna see what we have today, and see what kind of trades we have. So hopefully, you guys are having a freaking awesome day. I know I am. So right now, I want to show you guys real quick. So I've been trading Nasdaq since last night. If you guys haven't checked out my stories, and so I was trading Nasdaq last night. I have my basically it went up 2R. And I have I guess my positions already locked in profit already, and as well as I've closed I believe around actually 70% of my position already. So I have 30% left on the position right now, and yeah. So we're just gonna see what we do here. If we're gonna see like any kind of like I guess like momentum toward the upside for like the little session that we have here. So we'll take a look at that. It was like what 2.72. Okay, cool. And yeah, so right now it looks like it could retest off the 50 EMA, which for me it will make sense because I will want to look for an entry right there again to take it along. And if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. This I'm on this trade like I'm up about 1.1% for the day. So I mean it was a really good trade to be honest. Like it was something that um, you know, I just managed it really well. The momentum was definitely on my side for this trade. If we look at the MT4, we have basically this is my swing trading position, and this is my day trading position. So it's already locked in stop, already locked in profit, and I'm just gonna swing this longer term position to see what we do there. Um, I have my take profit right over here, which I think I may just take it out just because this definitely has potential to go to the upside. Like if we look at the one daily chart, for me it just looks really bullish. And if you guys haven't checked out my new Nasdaq video, check it out. It's like I uploaded it yesterday. But from right over here, we can clearly see that if we take the drawings off so you guys can see a little bit better, we can see that price action bounced off the 50. We closed above the daily EMA. I mean, not the daily, but the 21 EMA, and then we can have a continuation toward the upside. So for me, I'm really bullish on it. I don't see it slowing down. In my opinion, like the momentum hasn't been slowing down. I'm actually long bias on it on the 4 hour based on my D2 trade ID on it. So yeah, we'll see what we do here. Um, Even if my swing trading does go against me, I could always like average it down, or I could always reduce risk on that. So, but anyways, like I feel confident in this trade. I feel like that we will see momentum through the upside. I know we're gonna probably see more structure on it though on the longer time frame. So higher lows, higher highs, toward the upside. So it's not going to be like one giant rip to the upside for sure. But I'm really confident in this trade. I know the liquid 50 is against me on the 4 hour, but 8 and 21 EMAs crossed to the upside, which is something significant, and we're just the momentum is there. So yeah, we're currently going to see what we do here. 50-minute. That's basically how the 50-minute looks at the current moment. So we're holding to 21 EMA on it. So yeah, we'll just see what we do here. But so far so good. We're in a pretty good position right over here. We're also looking at EA on Forex. So if we look at EA, I know Barrett was in this trade. He was like I think he was in like right over here, which he got in just a little bit early. But as the liquid 50 was rising, that was something I would have definitely like looked at, but it rose all the way up to the buy zone, made a higher low, not a higher low, but a lower high, and so price action basically broke through the 50 again, and now the liquid 50 is falling. So I'm just looking for a retest off the 50. The thing is, I don't. It's still in the Asian range, which I mean that's a minus, um, and it's a swapping liquid 50, just barely, but it is a swapping liquid 50. So automatically, whenever I see a swapping liquid 50, it's a no trade for me, unfortunately. But if you guys want to take it, take it. It makes sense to me about the short bias for the day, as the liquid 50 is falling and gaining momentum for the day. So it definitely makes sense. I would just be careful with this level, the Asia low level. So this is called the Asia low zone, and then as well as this significant level right over here. So, but so far so good. I definitely think this could go lower today. Let me put the yeah, but I definitely think that we could go lower today on that. I was also looking at Euro NZD short bias, but there's no entry yet, like no entry at all. It's ranging around below the Asia low. Um, let's see. I like UJ. I like the idea of shorting UJ, but again, there's bullish divergence on it, which I mean I wanted to go all the way up to toward the 50 at least. Um, just because it's too right now it's oversold. It's been oversold since the yesterday's area. It's not oversold today, but I wanted to go up. I think it's long due for a kind of like a pullback to the upside. So I'm gonna wait for that pullback to the upside and continue looking for my entries. But I gotta make sure that the liquid 50 doesn't swap toward the buy zone. I still want the momentum toward my side. GU 15-minute, just bull biased, no entries for me. 800 EMA is in the way, so it's a counter in EMA. 1821 EMA is cross right over here for level 1. Maybe we can look for a level 2 kind of formation, but it looks like it is what is it? Yeah, it is a swapping liquid 50 on GU, so you could try to expect maybe a C setup A1 entry for a level 2 kind of formation off the 21 EMA toward the upside. GCAD bullish, so I like GCAD a little bit more just because there's no swapping liquid 50. And then the 800 EMA is right over here, so let's just see. For me, I would always expect, this is the breakout, so this is the shift for the breakout of the Asian session off the Asia range or whatever. And so I'm going to be expecting, since this is a level 1, a level 2 confirmation, maybe around New York session, a bounce off the 21 EMA for a counter formation and then toward the upside. So I will look to take that, to be honest. Not the best because the EMAs are countering the 800 EMAs in the way, but if there's enough risk to reward for me to get 2R on that, then I'll be more than happy to do that. With the higher time frames, I do like a higher time frame analysis on that real quick. EG, there was a D1 off the 200 EMA right over here, so price action was making lower highs. I would have entered right over here on the break of the 50, and right now it's currently up around 3R on it. So yeah, a really good trade. Right now it's ranging above the Asia low, so we'll see if we break out on that. EA, like I said again, that was kind of what I was expecting. EG short bias as well, almost a swap in liquid 50 as price action. As price action is rising as well as the liquid 50 is rising as well. So we'll see what we do here. Also, there's bullish divergence on it, so price action is falling. Our side is rising. So nothing really clean on Forex. We haven't seen anything really clean in Forex for a lot lately. It's quite unfortunate, I definitely, whenever I trade Forex around this time, it's usually one of my best months. So quite unfortunate that we're seeing a lot of, I guess, just choppiness and not really clean moves off our system. GF is bull bias. I don't like how it's falling. The liquid 50 is falling. So maybe level 2 off the 21 EMA if there's no swapping liquid 50, and if we see a hook up on the liquid 50. But other than that, that's pretty much it, Some divergence here. S&P 500 is up too. FSM is up. Bro, like I've been in such big drawdown for since this swing trade. Literally, like all my stock portfolio has been red the last couple of days, even though I was trying to short Nasdaq. And most of my, actually not most of them, I don't have too many tech stocks. I invest a lot of gold and silver companies. So hopefully we see a green day on this. I have my options that expire and Friday, so hopefully I could get some profit out of that, take some profit and close my option contract on that. Nasdaq futures are up too. I like the trend that it's showing me here. See what EA does. Yeah, the only reason I don't like EJ is because of the Liquid 50. Train is still in your favor. It's still bearish, so you can forget about that. A lot of momentum on JP pairs today. Actually, this whole week. Just not a lot of clean movement for our system. So let's see what we do here. Let's see if we break through the 21 EMA. If we do break through the 21 EMA, I may just call it on this trade. Who knows? My take profit is right over here at the resistance 1 level. But I need to, I guess, focus on, like, I guess, keeping my trades a little bit longer, especially for Nasdaq, because I know it's really long bias right now, and I know that it has a lot of potential for the upside. So I gotta keep this trade in mind. I gotta, like, make sure that I don't try closing anything early. That's why I made sure my entry it was above the 800 EMA. I just can't ask anything else for the Liquid 50. It's like rising with a lot of momentum. So for this trade, I could have definitely had a tighter stop, but since I was Asian session trading, not Asian session because there's no such thing as an Asian session trade, Asian session in like indices, but I was trading pre-market, and usually in pre-market we usually see it just like a lot of it, like for, at least for me, indecision. Um, but we did not see indecision this time, and it's probably because the momentum buyers and sellers are coming in during pre-market, getting ready for the market open. So not a lot of indecision, just a lot of clean momentum, which I took advantage of. But so that's why I like a big stop to make sure my stop was below that divergence zone as well as that daily pivot. Just because I knew that there could be a possibility that it will chop me out. So that's why I closed out. But it turned in my favor. So I mean, like even though it was like I was risking about 39, and I could have been risking around 15 points. It it went in my favor. So couldn't really ask for more. Up around 104, 100, like yeah, 105 points right now. Um, so yeah, I'm grateful about that. Yeah, cause I could have put my stop right over here. I made like 5R on that. Yeah, right now it's just soaring right now. As you can see here, real account for all those haters out there telling me that um, they don't really believe me with that Timo. Right now on EA, looks like it's working through the Asia low. Pretty choppy, but I would probably enter right over here. 1.4R, around 1.4R. Hey, so I use the 8 and 21 EMA, the 50 EMA, the 800 EMA, and the 200 EMA. EG trade breaks through the Asia low around 3.8R, about 4R. For me, I trade a system, so it's not so, I don't use EMAs just as like for me to get into a trade. I use it as kind of a confirmation, a confidence for my system. So, it's not simply like retest and buy off an EMA. It's a bit more advanced than that. I look for an entry signal. Once I see an entry signal, I wait for confirmation. I wait for more confidence, so it could be a high probable setup, and then I take that trade on that entry, making sure that I have like a good stop. So it's a bit more nothing like stopping up, like retesting off an EMA. If you'd like to learn more about how this, like the systems we trade, check out like my Instagram, and as well as check out acefx.biz. We definitely have a lot of useful information in there, as well as signing up for that webinar. We have like a free webinar that's going on right now, which Austin's gonna be going over a ton of useful information for you guys. So it's definitely gonna be a lot of knowledge in there. Looks like EA is falling finally. This is Barrett's intro. Let me just give Barrett a quick yeah, now it's falling right now. Almost 2 hour. You're on 2 hour now. Momentum is starting to pick up once you're close below the Asian zone and this level that we had on the 15-minute. So it looks like momentum is starting to push down. And I knew, guys, I knew that this is gonna go down. Like, I mean, I'm not gonna try to predict, but having the liquid 50 just gain momentum like that really is something significant. But let's see what we do if we close actually on the 15-minute above this level, because this is a significant level right over here from this previous day. So this is the previous Asia low, not previous Asia low, but previous low for the yesterday. So we'll see what we do there. Looks like Nasdaq is starting to push up again. EA is falling. EA is actually falling pretty hard, guys. Look at that momentum picking up. Look at that momentum pushing up really fast. Looks like it's trying to retest off that level that we saw in the 15-minute. That's why it was kind of a significant level. Actually, I want to look at GCAT real quick and see if my idea is for no, it's not. Never mind. EJ is falling, but there was no proper entry on that. Let's see if EJ is kind of doing the same thing. Yeah, EJ is trying to do the same thing. It's falling up to the low of ADR, but no entry. No entry for me, which is quite unfortunate because I've been trying to short this. I want to short this thing, but it is what it is. Oh my god, look at EJ. Look at that big momentum right there, guys. Holy crap. Looks like your pairs are having a lot of momentum right now. Holy crap, that momentum. Yeah, I'm gonna take profit out on that position because I'm trying to hold it as much as possible. Holy, look at that momentum, guys. That's insane momentum right there. Too bad I didn't take this. Too bad I didn't take this entry. Oh my god. Yeah, he's pushing 3R. It's holding the level. GCAD, just pushing up. Looks like no entries again for Forex today. Let's see if I take this Rin Tree right now. Love with you. Well, nope. Let's see what we do here. Some bullish divergence. I mean, bearish divergence there. We may have a red market open. Looks like his sellers are trying to reject buyers right now. We may go down to the 50. Yeah, I'm not trading it. I'm done. I'm not gonna try trading it. Looking for that range. There's divergence in the way, and you know, just choppy. Like the sellers are trying to take control right now. So I'm just gonna wait until we see a retest toward the 50 EMA.
In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you? In the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from
Yeah, I'm
shining
closing about
through. It's
quarter my
true,
position.
baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for
All right, so just closed about a quarter of my position left. So just because I broke through the 21 EMA. Yeah, so now we're seeing about 1.5% for the day. Um, yeah, pretty good. Not gonna complain. Good risk on that. So, yeah, we'll just see what we do here. I don't know if we're gonna break through the 50 EMA. But yeah, I just closed a little bit of profit. I have about around like I think point I'll say like around point 20%, point 25%, point 20 around point 20% left in my position. So yeah, we're just gonna see what we do here. I have my lock stop bar break even. Not actually a little bit into profit, so I can't lose any money on it. So I'm not worried at all on that. What I'm interested is, are we gonna retest the 50, 150, and are we gonna, present an entry there? That's what I'm wondering. But to be honest, like I had a pretty good trading day already. Um, yeah, I mean 1.5% for the day. That's not too chabby. That's not too bad at all. Um, yeah, just grateful. You know, we 0.30% yesterday, 1.4% on Monday. So I'm killing it. You know, just staying consistent with the process. To be fair, you know, Nasdaq is easy to trade right now. I've traded Nasdaq whenever it was extremely hard to trade, whenever the market is ranging. Right now it's easy because the market's going up, and because I have an edge on it, so I'm able to find good entries on it with good risk to reward. Thing is, I don't know if it's or we're gonna retest off the 50 EMA and continue going up. We'll see. I think there could be a possibility that we do that just because on the 1 minute. Actually, on the 50-minute look at 50 is still rising like that. So we'll see on that. We'll see what we do here. There's still a lot of momentum on it. What the hell did I do? What did I do? That was so weird. What the heck? Oh, that's so cool. You can invert it. That's cool. Yeah, the momentum is too strong right now. I don't know if we're gonna actually. I don't know. Where's the daily pivot? That's not what I want. Where the frick is it? Oh, daily pivot's right over here. So, oh my god. I don't think. I think with this momentum, it's pushing down so fast that I think it's gonna go past the 50 EMA. So if it does, I may just close some of my position. If it closes below the 50, so I may just close out. Yeah, there's no reason for me to change my bias on it. Let's see. Am I allowed to stop at break even, right? Yeah, I do. So if I get stopped out on that, it is what it is. I still have my swing trading position on it, so don't really care what that does. Alrighty, but I think that's it for the stream, guys. Yeah, I ended up closing 1.5% for the day, so that's that's a really good trade. I may close out of this last trade, my last, I think a quarter percent left on it. I may close it out once I see like it's like a clean rejection off the 50 EMA. So if I see that, then I may close out of it. But it looks like we're trying to reject out the 50 EMA for momentum kind of a trade. I need to mark this up kind of for momentum off the oversold level, and as well as the 800 EMA, as well as the 50 EMA, as well as a significant level on the 15 minute, as well as just get, I guess, liquid 50 being really biased on it. So anyways, hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Appreciate all of you guys for coming in and watching. If you guys have any questions or anything at all, direct message me on Instagram and stuff like that. And yeah, webinar, AceFX webinar that's going to be happening this Saturday. It's going to be like one of our biggest AceFX webinars up to date. And so if you guys are interested in trying to join and sign up, direct message me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to give you that link to sign up. So it's going to be a really awesome webinar. Austin's going to be discussing a lot of cool, insightful information. So if you guys are interested, just again direct message me on Instagram. I'll give you the link for you guys to sign up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Actually tomorrow, 5 a.m. CST, Thursday. I haven't been trading Forex literally this whole week, so hopefully we can get something, something on the Forex market. So because I love my Forex, even though I'm trading Nasdaq a bit more, Forex is always going to be my bread and butter. So yeah, hopefully you guys are having a freaking awesome day, and I'll see you guys Thursday, 5 a.m. CST.